In today's video, I'll show you how to change text and audio language for any game in Epic Games Launcher. All you have to do is click on the three dot icon next to the game and select the options. And if the game has additional languages option listed, then click on the down arrow and select the preferred language. I'm gonna install Italian. And after checking the box, select the apply option. And you just need to wait for this to download done. After the download done, just close stuff here and click on the three dot icon next to the game and select the manage and turn on this launch options and check my video description for this text. In my case, I selected the Italian language, so copy this command. For other language, you just need to copy the command under the language name and paste it in launch options, paste with Control V and it's gonna be saved. Just close stuff here and launch the game.
Sei ferita?
Solo un poco.
Tieni, ti rimetterai subito. È una pozione rigeneratrice.
And as you can see, we have successfully changed the text and audio language. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.